Hey, Scott here at the Exiss Motors in Cuba, Missouri. I've got a new Exiss in. It's a 26 model. It's a 6820 show cattle trailer. So this is affordable. This trailer's $29,900. It's under $30,000. It's all aluminum. It's got a cut gate with a slider. It's got your plexiglass already in, load lights, tie rails, big side ramp, spare tire and wheel. Stainless steel nose, black skin. It's just a nice setup. And if you're going showing and Exiss is coming along again pretty fast here, this might be a good trailer for you. Escape door. It does have a full length running board down the side. There's your tie rails, more load lights, aluminum wheels, 10-ply rubber. The back door is a swing slide. All aluminum floor. It does have a calf gate up the nose. Nice big wide ramp. So you've got options. If you want to put your cattle up front, you can offload them on this ramp. Use that ramp to pull your big heavy boxes in, show boxes, however you want to do it. But it gives you some options. Lights in the front, lights down the side, so it's got lots of lights in it. We got, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 roof vents, so you got plenty of air. Cut gate in the middle. It does have a slider. Regular slam latch. And it does have a slider in it. And this is 9 feet off the back, so you got plenty of room for your chutes. Tie rails both sides, got them over here too. So I've sold this brand for 26 years, 25 or 26 years. It's a great trailer for the money. They got a good warranty. It's a 3-year, 8-year, and it's transferable. So 8 years is a long time to have somebody, backing you on this thing. So $29,900. I've got this one. I should have 2 of them in stock right now. So Exiss Motors in Cuba, 800-897-9840. Thanks.